All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a paper glider. So first, you're going to need a piece of paper, either a piece of notebook paper or a piece of computer paper. All right, so I have this right here. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to take the corners and you're going to line them up so they're dead split in the middle, just like that. And then you are going to crease either side, just like that, okay? So now we have a triangle shape at the top and it's square at the bottom. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one side and fold it in again, fold it along the crease or the split in the middle of the paper, just like that. And then do the other side. Cross it down just like that. And then take the top of it and then fold it halfway, just like that. You see this? And then once you have that, you're going to take it and you're going to fold it on the other side. And then fold that down and then fold this side down. And there you have a paper glider. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.